Hello! Hope this video finds you all doing well. Welcome back to Crypto Cash, where we go over different ways to make that crypto money. So let's get right into it with 9 proven ways to make money with crypto. And please like and subscribe if you can. Thanks! So first off, of course, we have crypto gaming play to earn. Players are drawn to crypto gaming because it may be profitable. The play-to-earn approach of cryptocurrency gaming allows users to benefit from their initial investment in the form of cryptocurrency game coins. This has even made it possible for certain gamers to make a living. Ownership of metaverse and gaming items is also one of the main drivers of the growth of crypto gaming. In contrast to conventional games, those that use blockchain technology grants players tenure over the items they earn. In-game things can be owned by players, traded, or even sold. The marketplace dynamics has drawn players. But all of this offers a completely new component to the gaming industry: the notion that gamers may earn cryptocurrency while playing games. So the next method is basically 2 methods because they are kind of the same, but different, but still counts as just one on the list: staking and yield farming. So yield farming is a well-liked strategy for growing cryptocurrency holdings through lending. The idea that using your money will help them grow is the inspiration for the name. High interest rates are offered by many companies, including DeFi's, in return for user currencies. The coins are collected into a liquidity pool and utilized for lending, borrowing, and trading. Pretty cool. But staking. Staking coins serves a more technical function than yield farming. What it does, it maintains the blockchain itself rather than increasing liquidity and offering loan services. Staking is specifically utilized on networks that employ its proof-of-stake technique to validate transactions. But to make money, staking allows you to first and foremost collect interest off your coins. And staking cryptocurrencies to generate income is a well-known idea in the crypto community, and a simple method of earning money using cryptocurrencies. So, if you own some proof-of-stake cryptocurrency, you may be eligible to get coins in return for your stake. The quantity you will receive will depend on the available currency and how you stake your coins. Next is crypto faucets. Crypto faucets, most of which are free, are web pages or mobile apps where you may earn cryptocurrency by playing dull games or completing easy activities. This may be done anytime you choose and from the convenience of your home. Small duties like watching advertisements or films, playing games, or doing quizzes make up the tasks. You won't be likely to buy homes with these prizes. However, over time, you may accumulate a sizable number of crypto tokens through these modest payouts. Imagine them as the water drops that accumulate in a pail from a faulty faucet. That's how these applications and websites acquire the label faucet. You can eventually build up a little reservoir of coins if you accumulate these drops. Next up, we have mining. What's great about mining is that you may obtain crypto without having to pay for it. As payment for finishing blocks of confirmed transactions that are put to the blockchain, Bitcoin miners are rewarded with Bitcoin. The miner who solves a difficult hashing challenge first receives mining rewards, and the likelihood that a miner will find the answer is correlated with their share of the network's overall mining power. To set up a mining setup, you need either an ASIC, Application-Specific Integrated Circuit, or a GPU, Graphics Processing Unit. But there is another way to mine without having to own a mining setup. It's called cloud mining. So with cloud mining, you basically rent out a firm's mining machine, known as a rig, as well as the actual mining process after paying the company, often a huge business, a certain amount. For the duration of this rental agreement, any revenue produced by the mining hardware will be sent to your cryptocurrency wallet. Both a free and a paid option are often available. The fourth on the list is affiliate programs. One of the trusted and successful ways to generate money is through cryptocurrency affiliate networks. You may make money from this by distributing your referral links for any centralized exchange that trades cryptocurrencies, and you receive a portion of the exchange's revenue when a user signs up through your link. Affiliate partnerships for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies provide a great method to make money off of your audience's interest in cryptocurrencies. Whether you own a well-known website, media outlets, blogs, YouTube channel, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, and etc., crypto affiliate networks may generate a steady stream of income that you can bank on for weeks, months, and occasionally even years. Next up is airdrops. Making money with cryptocurrency using airdrops is another effective method. When you complete specific activities, like following a cryptocurrency project's social media account, you are given free crypto tokens. Sending freshly created tradable tokens to thousands or even hundreds of wallet addresses is the main goal. with the aim that receivers will be more likely to interact with the relevant project, even if it's just to figure out how to exchange the free tokens for anything else. This idea is comparable to receiving a free voucher in your mail to entice you to go to a nearby news store. However, the main goal of a crypto airdrop to not really to get the receiver to spend money, but to promote awareness, fresh initiatives, and services. And also, be sure to check the legitimacy of the cryptocurrency project before joining. And next in line is accepting cryptocurrency payments. So you can earn money with cryptocurrency payments. This appears to be one of the most simple strategies for making cryptocurrency. You might want to think about taking payments in your favorite cryptocurrency if you work or own a business. It shouldn't come as a shock that several of the biggest businesses in the world have started to accept cryptocurrency in legal tender. In 2021, organizations as diverse as AT&T, Microsoft, Overstock, Tesla, and Twitch will all take Bitcoin as well as other digital currencies. Small companies may benefit from the cryptocurrency frenzy as well, and with the aid of internet payment processors, they can quickly accept digital payments. These processors normally charge a transaction fee of 1% or less, which is lower than the cost associated with the majority of credit cards. Either put it to use buying something else, or hold on and trust the value to increase. Also, if the coin's value rises, you could be able to benefit significantly as well. Next, we have trading. In trading, you purchase coins at a discount and then sell them when their value rises or even the markets go down. It's very possible to make money too, but short-term cryptocurrency profit making is possible through trading. To properly trade the crypto market, though, you need to have a lot of expertise. Additionally, you must perform enough basic and technical analysis. By doing this, you may benefit regardless of how the cryptocurrency market performs. Trading may be quite profitable, but it's important to remember that it's also one of the riskiest methods to work with cryptocurrencies. If you hope to achieve long-term results, it's crucial to comprehend the specifics of trading cryptocurrency. The best method to handle such risk is to have a complete understanding of the cryptocurrency market before creating and committing to a suitable plan of action. Last but not least, we have investing, or purchasing cryptocurrencies. One of the greatest and most reliable methods to generate money with cryptocurrencies is through investment. It is among the easiest ways for newcomers to earn money using cryptocurrencies. This is due to the fact that buying a crypto coin and hanging onto your tokens over the long term hold. This is equivalent to purchasing stocks and holding them for a number of years. And by doing this, you may avoid worrying about sudden changes in price, especially if you buy in reputable and long-standing coins including Bitcoin and Ethereum. But cryptocurrency investing is a highly successful long-term strategy. Buy and hold approach is frequently used to describe the straightforward procedure. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you were able to learn something from this video. Be sure to like and subscribe as I would greatly appreciate it. Take care!